What's up, everybody? This is Tommy with Ground Zero USA. Today we're here at Redmond's in Saginaw, Michigan, doing a little Ground Zero pop-up. Today we have my 2022 Ford Maverick, full Ground Zero hydrogen system, hydrogen 3-ways up front, 2 hydrogen flat 10s, all Ground Zero amplifiers and DSP. We also have Jason Billups, one of our reps. We have his brand new Duramax with 4 flat hydrogen 10s back here running off of 3K as well. And a beautiful enclosure. This thing gets down. And then we have Eric, the guy behind the camera. We have his Jeep here with a full Ground Zero system running Ground Zero Iridium SPL components in the front, our Ground Zero Yellow Basket coaxials in the rear, 2 flat hydrogen 10 sealed in the back as well. If you're in the mid-Michigan area, come check out Redmond's for all your Ground Zero needs.